Today's goal is to get more insulation in. So working with getting insulation in the ceiling is the goal for today. It is a little bit warmer than normal, but I have all my PPE on. My head protected, got my eyes protected. I know I have these glasses, which some people say, hey, serves as protection, but I have to keep the fiberglass from getting in the inside. But let me show you what we're working with. All right. So you can see right now, like the ceiling. And I'm putting this insulation up in the ceiling right now. And so I already have my strips, my batts already cut. And so these are actually, this is R19, and the thickness of it is 6 1/4. So it's gonna steadily fluff out because it just received a fresh cut. And so that's what I'm working on today, you all. Slow progress, but hey, we're moving forward. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, I do want to point out this for somebody come in the comments, but I already want to point out this. So, so these are the ceiling joists right here, but then these right here, these little, I can't even follow it, but these strips right here, that's what we call furring strips, and so those were already up, and so I can take those down, but it'll be a waste of money. So what I do is, I lift the insulation up in one of these cubbies, and when I lift it in this cubby, then I kind of like work my way through. And so you'll see here shortly what I'm talking about.